Good morning from Kona Cafe.
Well, guess where I am?
You're at Kona Cafe.
Yes, and it's a beautiful morning. Just the rain just stopped.
Yes.
It's supposed to be a nice day today.
It's early. It's early for Ryan. It's not early for me.
We're at the remodel for the first time.
Yes, yes. It looks so nice in here. It's very nice.
I have a monorail view, and you got a Polynesian.
Yes, I have the restaurant view. We got our drinks.
Joffrey's.
Mine is decaf. Yeah.
Hog juice.
Yeah, you have to get pog juice.
For some reason.
At Kona and at Ohana, and when you go out to eat in Animal Kingdom, you have to get the pog juice. It's so good. But yeah.
Yeah, you can have orange juice anytime.
Right, that's what I'm saying. Exactly. Okay, good morning.
Good morning. We're gonna eat and enjoy ourselves.
It's our last day. Oh, was I not supposed to say that? Sorry.
Aloha.
What'd you get?
Fruit, home fries, scrambled eggs, bacon, and a corn muffin.
He got the egg platter is what he got. I got the ham and cheese omelet, but instead of potatoes, I got bacon.
That looks good.
And it comes with biscuits, which I was kind of excited about.
Yeah.
Yes.
That's good.
Out of focus. There you are. Hi.
I'm always in focus. What do you mean? And DVC it up. Where are we? Oh, it's not there. It's I thought
the first
it's
floor,
downstairs.
right?
Tokelau? I don't know. We'll look at it when we get down there.
Sun's out.
This is what I thought was upstairs. How do you say it? Tokelau? The sanctuary of the sharks? I guess that's what it means. And there's the map. Is it a real place? Do you know?
Yeah. Probably. I would assume.
Okay.
No, I don't know.
Where are we going?
Don't go back. We're going to be working.
Woo! Oh, it's bright.
I know.
Oh, landscapers. We know about landscapers.
Look.
Usually on Wednesdays. It's Sunday.
During Jagger's nap. Without fail.
That's right.
Right in front of our house.
Yep. Well, we're going again. Where are we going?
We're going to Magic Kingdom.
Magic Kingdom.
Yeah. It was weird because we woke up this morning and it was like downpour.
Yeah.
And I was like, oh no, even when we were walking to breakfast. I don't even think I need the sweatshirt. When we were walking to breakfast, it was like, we brought our umbrellas because it was raining. It wasn't, you know, horrible. Well, not anymore.
Beautiful day today.
Not anymore.
We don't have to worry about rain anymore.
Yeah, hopefully not. I don't think so. I think we're good. It's pretty clear.
Yeah.
A couple clouds, but yeah, it's gonna be a good day.
Let's go. Monorail it up. This lobby's awesome. I've never noticed this map before, but it's really cool. Alright, let's see if we see the sign.
No shot.
Never. It's because of the light and the way that it come out of the tunnel. And nothing. Magic Kingdom, 50 and then 100 and overnight.
I feel bad for people who don't understand because it happens.
Do you think you're gonna see Snooki today?
Oh my god, I forgot she's here. That's right.
She might see you with your glasses on. Really well.
What are you trying to say?
I don't know, you've been watching a lot of Jersey Shore lately.
I know,
so
I went backwards.
Maybe
the new one, the family vacation.
Maybe that's like, you know, channeling Snooki right now.
I follow her on Instagram. She put on her story that she was here with her daughter for cheer.
And we got married in the same venue as
we did get married at the same venue. Not because she got married there before us. just worked out that way.
Yeah.
We're in the same room too.
Yeah.
Yeah. And if you're wondering, if you're not from Jersey, you have no idea, please don't think that that's what it is, because the show is no indication of how we live in New Jersey.
There's a lot of dressed up people today.
That's what I'm saying. I don't really follow the Dapper stuff, but I don't know if it's Dapper Day or not.
Possibly. You never do it like this.
Because we can never get it right.
Is this right?
Nah, I guess it's right. But it's like I walk too fast, you walk too slow.
I walk really slow.
I'm out of frame all the time. But then the same thing happens when I hold the camera.
They gotta invent something where just like...
If I walk like behind you, look at that! Well, that took a while to figure out. But then I gotta like... Does that work? No, see, it doesn't. Oh my god, okay.
Yeah, okay, this book's better. And I'm gonna see the castle for like the 8,000th time. So.
When's everybody running?
I don't know. Because the wait times are slow.
Not anymore.
Oh, there it is.
It looks pretty today.
Yeah. Looks shiny, like someone cleaned it.
It looks less pink. Is it my glasses? Yes, it's my glasses.
It's definitely pink.
Yeah, no, not with these on.
And yeah, and those things are drapes, so I'm okay now.
Oh my god, that was really funny.
But see how like it almost looks like they raised it again, like a little bit. It just seems a little higher up. Like I'm looking up a little bit more, like this.
Maybe you're shrinking.
It's very possible. I do feel a little shorter. Or maybe they raised the pavements.
That's exactly what they did. Right? Yeah, sure.
You know, because there is an underground. And it could just go whoop. An inch every day.
We've been down there.
Half an inch every day, maybe. We've been down there, yeah. It's really cool. It smells. It's good. But you know, it's garbage goes there. And everyone wears like white tights. Everyone's wearing white tights because a lot of the character people walking around, they have like a barcode and they wear like white tights.
So maybe we should explain.
You should definitely do that.
Also go down there. They have a tour called Keys to the Kingdom tour.
Yeah.
And it's really cool. You learn a lot about like the behind the scenes of the park and all that. And they bring you downstairs.
Yeah.
You're not allowed to take video or any pictures or anything like that. Actually, throughout the whole entire tour, you're not allowed to because they do bring you like backstage.
Yeah, it's very cool.
It's so cool.
You can talk about it though.
I totally recommend it. Yeah, I recommend it.
And they really love Roy Disney.
That's what it's called.
There's a lot of Roy Disney stuff.
Why did we stop walking?
Oh, take a little break, you know. It looks really nice today. The second time this weekend we came in, and there's something going on. Oh yeah.
It's Jagger's favorite.
And my favorite, the Friendship Fair. The song they sing at the end is awesome.
It is the end. They're all out there.
Oh. Did they sing it already?
No, not yet.
All right, I get to hear it.
They're about to.
Oh, I wish we were closer.
I can't walk any fast.
Let's try to get to Walt statue at least. Sing it like song.
I don't know the words. Jagger does though.
Can't you just stay here in the square, in the center here, the hub, for like hours and take pictures?
You can, as long as it's not that crowded. And after the Friendship Fair, it literally cleared out.
Yeah.
It's great, so we took some pictures.
Yeah. Now we're going to the people.
Yeah, it's a 5-minute wait for the people mover.
Walk on.
Yeah. I'm looking at Genie Plus, see what else we could book in the next 10 minutes. We want a jungle cruise, but it's like 3:15 and we plan on going to Epcot, I think, so do something else.
Greetings, intergalactic travelers. Welcome aboard the Babymoon, presented by Enterprise. I'm Morak 5, your guide aboard this highway in the sky. Keeps on rolling through the future, right by two of my favorite spots.
And darkness.
Now approaching Tomorrowland Speedway and Tron Light Cycle Run.
Now is the best time to go out and explore tomorrow, today. See you in the future.
Peter Pan Lightning Lane.
Hard to get a Genie Plus break.
It's like 90-minute wait right now.
90 minutes
and
right now. We still had to wait like 15 minutes.
5 minutes. We've been here 10 minutes.
Okay.
10 minutes maybe.
I mean, it's not a big deal.
Yeah. If you wait 10 minutes for this ride, it's good.
Woo!
Okay. Whoa. Whoa.
Off to Neverland.
Off to Neverland in the dark. Try to get us on the ride, but it was pretty dark.
It's a dark ride.
It's I thought it was only 60 seconds long, but it's almost 3 minutes, which isn't bad. It's actually a really great ride. I just wish it was longer. You know?
Peter Pan's my favorite Disney.
Yeah.
So I always enjoy it.
Yeah, it's great.
Updating, of course it does.
No, it's not even that.
Cool Disney dark ride.
Yeah, I feel like you can't see because the sail is in the front. A lot of stuff, and also at the same time, it just, you know, I wish it was just longer. That's all.
Yeah.
I like the ride. I think it's really good. You know, especially the ship part. So, now what? Carousel progress? Is that what I heard you say?
We haven't done that in a long time. Jagger will not sit through that.
No.
So, now's our chance to do it.
Do it. We're ready.
As we gaze at your loving star, we will know that this is alright.
Are you amazed by Sunny Eclipse? Sounds good.
It's been a while.
Sounds really good.
It does.
Beautiful.
Thank you very much.
All day long, without ever taking a break.
Disney's Carousel of Progress.
For you and me, so there's a great, big, beautiful tomorrow, shining at the end of every day. There's a great, big, beautiful tomorrow, just a dream away. Oh, Patricia.
Yes, Father?
Better get a move on. The radio says folks are arriving downtown.
Do I really have to go?
Everything is better than ever now, and we've got some amazing new wonders around the house to prove it. For instance, our refrigerator holds more food and ice cubes.
And when it becomes a reality,
It's a dream come true for you and me.
John, what's wrong with the oven?
What,
Big moon complete. Enjoy your meal.
anyone for pizza?
Oh, another Christmas turkey ruined. There's a great big beautiful tomorrow, shining at the end of every day. There's a great big beautiful tomorrow, and tomorrow's just a dream away. Shining at the end of every day. There's a great big beautiful tomorrow, just a dream away.
And back to reality.
Back
To reality.
We haven't done that in so long.
It's awesome. I like it.
I know, I missed it.
I love how, you know, a lot of people don't know though, I don't think, but the guy that does the voice for Christmas Story, he does the voice for John in the Carousel of Progress, and he
It's the
sings
narrator in the Christmas Story, yeah. Who's like older Ralphie, right?
Yeah. Yeah, and he wrote a Christmas Story. It's about his life, I think.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Yeah, I think it's I think it had a lot to do with it.
So
Yes.
the baby wants spring rolls.
Oh, you mean me?
Sure. Let's go see their cheeseburger. Spring rolls.
Yes. I think that's the best plan we've had all day. That's by Jiminy Cricket.
Like, when do you ever see Jimmy Cricket?
No, we just saw him right there.
That's so crazy.
It's the luck of the
Where's he going?
cheeseburger egg roll.
Yeah, we got it. Oh. They're wrapped up. It got like really windy and it started to rain a little bit.
Yeah. Whoa.
They are.
No more fire. Where are we going?
Going to Epcot.
Epcot!
What are you doing? No, we know. What do? We always do this. We come to Norway. We gotta rub his nose.